could tell you right now, man, Sunday in Kosrae is next level. You know, you get all this dynamic, because all this atomic, small kind, big kind, any kind of dishes going to be popping up on your table. You know why? Because you're going to take your food, go exchange them with your neighbor, with your friends, and you're going to come back with a lot of different kind of food. Man, I can't believe this. Look at this stuff. Check them out, check them out. Check out the micronation steroid. Look at that. You wanna know what's a good combo? Let's try this. Yeah, check them out. Grapefruit. Oh no, gosh. Oh no. See, look. See? That's the Kosraean version of what they call Wendy's. Yeah, chili with rice. Go try them out right now. Oh no, guys. Oh no. Gotta keep going, guys. How's that? You like guitar banana? That's the one. You wiki cow my thai. That's the one. This is it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. This one is. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Whoever make this thing. Call them up right now. Call them up right now. Man. It's just too much happening there. Oh gosh, like slap booking. Oh gosh, man. Man. You like eat banana? You wiki cow my dad. This is the one, guys. This is taro and banana. But bro, I like sleep already. Man. Who make this, guys? Who make this stuff? Oh gosh. You know this kind of neighbor. We make this stuff. This is the kind of neighbor I like to be friends with. You know why? Because oh gosh, the thing broke them. Go try them again, guys. Salute, salute. Oh wow. Man. You ready, guys? The thing's the bomb. It's kind of like, you know, when you wouldn't throw it inside your mouth, the thing gonna explode already. But oh gosh, go try again, eh? Taro banana. I don't even know how to do it, but me, I'm all about the end product. I don't care how freaking the thing get from point A to point B. I don't care. All I care about, you got the end product, the thing broke them up. Who fix this stuff? Who fix this stuff? Neighbor. Neighbor, always making all the good. I don't know, man. I don't know. You never know until you know, Kakwatla. Oh no.